तर्जमान दफ्तर खारजा ताहिर हुसैन इंदराबी कहते हैं कि दरियाओं से मुतल्लिक एक तरफा इकदाम किसी सूरत कबूल नहीं। हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग में तर्जमान दफ्तर खारजा ने कहा कि भारत खिते के अमन के लिए खतरा है। उन्होंने कहा कि भारत की जानिब से सिंतास मुआहदे की खिलाफ वर्जी की भरपूर मजम्मत करते हैं।
Of India's religious minorities, particularly its Muslim citizens. Such conduct reflects a broader and troubling pattern associated with Hindutva-inspired politics, namely the alarming rise of religious intolerance and Islamophobia. We urge all responsible stakeholders and the Indian government to recognize the seriousness of this incident and to reaffirm their commitment to the protection and minority rights, respect for religious freedom, and the preservation of human dignity. Now, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the roundup of this week's activities, Prime Minister Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif undertook a two-day visit to Ashgabat, Turkmenistan last week to participate in the International Conference on Peace and Trust. In his stay in Ashgabat, the Prime Minister held important meeting with the presidents of Turkmenistan, Turkey, Russia and Iran. The Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister, Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar, accompanying the Prime Minister as part of his entourage and to Ashgabat, has also held important meetings with his counterparts, the foreign ministers of Iran, Kyrgyzstan, Oman, Turkey, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan, and he also met the Secretary General of the Economic Cooperation Organization. And after the completion of the Ashgabat visit, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister visited Abu Dhabi to participate in the 16th City Baniyas Forum from 12th to 14th December. He was invited to the event by the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of the UAE. The Sir Baniyas Forum, as you would know, is a high statesmen, policy makers and global experts to deliberate on key regional and issues of economic cooperation. And on the sidelines of the forum, the Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister engaged with international leaders